All right, trig proofs. So this one has sines and cosines in it. It doesn't use any of our new identities that we're working with or any of the equations on your equation sheet. I put it on here because you should be prepared to factor with sine and cosine at any point, and be able to work an identity. When you look at this, you might think, hey, I like to FOIL better than I like to factor, so maybe I'll try to work with the right-hand side. But you don't end up getting that sine squared that you need. You're welcome to work with the right-hand side and try it and let me know how it goes. I'm going to work with the left side here. So I have sine cubed minus cosine cubed. And this is a difference of cubes. So our pattern for difference of cubes, AB, A squared, AB, B squared. And then SOAP, same, opposite, always positive, which is the part that you guys always remember. You always remember SOAP, and we have trouble with the AB, A squared, AB, B squared. So here, A is sine and B is cosine. So I'm going to follow that pattern. Sine of x, cosine of x, sine squared, sine cosine, cosine squared. And it's a difference, so I'm going to do same sign, opposite sign, always positive. Awesome. All right, we're close. Believe it or not, this proof really only takes 2 steps. The next thing that you have to recognize is that sine squared plus cosine squared, as long as they're in the same parentheses, and here they are, sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. No matter what, every time. You don't even have to change the order there. And we made it. Factor. Good to factor a cube every once in a while, so we keep that a little bit fresh. Also, remember, at any point you might need to use sine squared plus cosine squared as 1. Or any other iteration of that. Remember, when you start with sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, any math that you do to that, any legal math, is also an identity. So you might have to use 1 minus cosine squared is the same as sine squared.